Oh, this is beautiful. Wow.
Hello my creative friends, Olga Sobi here and welcome to Life in Fluid Color. This is such an exciting collaboration project that we're starting together today with two good friends of mine and fellow artists, Molly from Molly's Artistry and Rinske Dauno. So Life in Fluid Color is an art project that's inspired by documentary series Life in Color with David Attenborough. It's all about diverse beauty in nature and the importance of color in the life of different species. And in our art take on it, in Life in Fluid Color, we decided to explore nature as an inspiration in art. And we also wanted to emphasize the individuality and uniqueness of the vision, of artistic vision of each one of us, of all of us guys. And this is why for this project, we are going to pick one picture that was taken by one of us. And we're gonna create, each one of us is going to create a painting inspired by this picture. For today's painting, for first painting in this project, we picked a picture that was taken by Molly. We picked this gorgeous flamingo. There are no limitations in style or technique. We did not agree what each one of us is going to create. So today's videos are going to be a surprise for us as well to see what the other two created. After you're done watching my video, head over to Molly and Rinske to see what they created, inspired by this gorgeous flamingo. Also, I'm sure as you already know that three of us, myself, Molly and Rinske, have created this awesome comprehensive online course together. And right now, this holiday season, we are offering $20 off the discount. To get the $20 off, all you need to do is use coupon code ART20 at the checkout. The website is smartartcourses.com. And if you have been thinking about diving deep into acrylic pouring and really expressing your creativity with this awesome, fun, fluid art, definitely check it out. I will include all the info in the description, and with that being said, flamingo, here I come. Let's get started with it. Okay, so today working on 18 by 36 inches canvas. I figured it would be fun to do on a longer type of canvas for flamingo. And for my process, I want to create a background first with dirty pour technique, and on that I will do some blowouts and we'll try to create a flamingo. Let's get started with it. So I want it to be a lot of green, like green. I usually don't use green color as much, so today's pour is perfect time for me to actually change things up a bit and use color that I don't normally use a lot. So a few different shades of green, some darker, some lighter. Just gonna pour everything in a cup. I'm adding a mix of copper. I also added a little bit of white to this copper so it's not too bright with it. That beautiful picture also had some blue and I thought it looks really beautiful. So this is just some brilliant blue also mixed with white, so it's a little brighter. Also want to add this dark color, some shades. Oh my god, this cup, just look at it. Creating something in such tropical, cheerful colors would be perfect for this time of the year because it's so moody and rainy here where I live. I wouldn't mind going on a tropical vacation right now. Okay, I think this cup is ready. And by the way, all the colors are mixed with water only. This is my Dutch pour consistency, it's very thin paint. Let's see how it works for this technique. Some darker green comes out first. Oh, this is beautiful. Wow! I love it. Some lighter green closer to the top. This is gonna be the top part. Maybe a little more dark green closer to the bottom. Alright, I think I'm just gonna tilt it out for now and can always add more paint as I go. Today again, I'm adding this dome around my canvas first to prevent from too much paint overspilling while I'm tilting.
Gosh, I absolutely love how these colors work. All right. Groovy, huh? I love it. I'm going to remove the tape now. I'm gonna let that paint go down the side. And for this pour, I want my sides to be covered. Just want to add a little bit of sunshine at the top of this panel. So base turned out perfect. I love it. Totally love it. So let's work on the main part. So here is going to be the color of the main color of the flamingo. I got a few different shades so it looks more interesting. And here I mix some orange, some pink and some white. I think it recreates the best that beautiful color that's in the picture. So let's add it in. Something like this for now. So this part I'm gonna swipe out for after. I want to add some yellow in here. Got a few splashes of the same color but lighter. Some white here. Okay, now I want to blow out this part to create more of the shape of the body. A beautiful flamingo. Pretty good, pretty good. This is looking pretty awesome as well. A few touches of yellow. Oh, I love this part. It's actually really cool. So this is gonna be the interesting part. I don't really know if I'm gonna be able to recreate that beautiful big with fluid paints. This is something I might need to work on when the paint is dry, but I still want to give it a try. I mean, why not? It's always fun to try this. You know, birds' heads have been popping in my paintings so much lately. I got phoenix, rooster, not only birds, but birds especially. There are so many different creatures that have been showing up in my paintings. So it would be fun to actually create one more like on purpose. So first, this beak is white color. This part is actually black. That looks pretty good. Like this. Okay, I'm gonna stop working on the head part for now because I maintained the shape of the head and the beak. I think he looks really cute. Okay, time to work on the bottom part. We need to create some legs, and flamingo is a symbol of balance for a reason. The way he balances on one leg is just iconic. It's an iconic image. But first I think I'll just show the water a little bit on the bottom part. Let's aim that leg. So first I want to paint one and then go for the other one. So he is standing in the water. Oh, working out, really awesome. I'm so happy. Life in fluid color it is. The inspiration is absolutely everywhere. Let's add maybe a little bit of more of white here. I am just beyond happy how it turns out so far. Let's jump to the next section. When the paint is dry, I will do a few touch-ups and I just can't wait to show you how this beautiful flamingo looks dry. Keep watching.
And here is the final result with few touch-ups on the dry painting. I worked on his head and the beak, and I made the neck and legs more defined, as well as added some highlights and shadows just to make it look a little more realistic. But most importantly, I really wanted to keep that fluid look, those fluid elements and beautiful lacing. Can you see I'm happy with the outcome? Because I totally am. And guys, all of us see the beauty and perceive the world in our own unique way. And our art is always a reflection of this uniqueness. So celebrate your creativity and your individuality. And we invite you to participate in Life in Fluid Color project with us. Share your beautiful creation with hashtag Life in Fluid Color. We would love to see what you come up with, whether you want to create something inspired by this beautiful flamingo picture or you want to use any picture of your own. Let's learn to see the inspiration all around us together. And with this, me and Mr. Flemington wish you to have amazing holidays. May all your wishes and creative ambitions come true. Thank you so much for joining me today. Please let me know how do you like the outcome of my first painting in Life in Fluid Color project. I'll chat with you in the comments down below. Please give this video a like if you enjoyed the process with me. And now, let's head over to Molly and Rinsky to see what they created. Thanks for watching, take care, stay creative, I'll see you in the next video. Happy holidays. Bye bye!